Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're doing well. Have I got a brown spot there? Because it always come up on my camera.
Hi.
Oh, I never know. It's probably my age spots, isn't it, Dave?
Yeah.
My age spot. I know I get one on my forehead. That's when I was pregnant with Jack. But anyway, what? Well, anyway, we're now going strawberry picking. It's literally around the corner, but we're not sure whereabouts it is. So
I got this.
so we'll bring you along strawberry picking because there's no point in having a conversation in the car, is there, Dave?
No.
We is here.
Turn right.
No.
Be quiet, Siri.
Chickens!
Where?
Where do you go
The
to strawberry
destination
pick?
is
Look
on
at
your
the
right.
look at
The
the little shop.
Grange Flegara Road.
Yeah?
Sure it's here.
Yes, I'm sure.
Well, there's no fucking strawberry picking around, Jenna.
It's a Congo tree.
It's not a fucking conker tree.
Don't swear on my video. What are them things on it then?
They're not conkers.
What are they then? Oh, don't kill them.
Probably.
Don't kill them.
What?
Just walk out in front of a moving car.
That is so good.
We're in the wrong place. We've got to go around the corner. Look at the little doggy.
That's
Come
so
out here,
good.
turn. Oh, doggy.
Oh, look at him.
Tree.
Oh.
So turn out of here, turn right. There's Doug there.
Duck.
She said
And go
there's
200.
She said there's plenty of signs. I never saw a sign.
I ain't seen this one. Ah!
Nothing. Why does the one
No, it's left.
Yeah, but
I've
I.
been from that way.
Yeah.
they come and move?
Found a church and a graveyard.
Bro, why do you have to sound like that?
That's an oak tree.
Can you see that little girl, Stanley?
What?
A little girl there.
Where?
There. Can you see her?
No. Where?
What if she's a ghost?
Ah!
Found it.
How do you know if it's a strawberry thing?
Because it says peep. What are you beeping at, you knobhead? What do you beep at for? What we do wrong?
That's not strawberry.
Where's the strawberries, Dave? Maybe it's like a cull and they're gonna
Oh la la la.
murder us.
Oh la la la.
No, I think so.
Oh, I only fell down a hole. Yeah, Jackie?
Yeah, pick that one. You go off and just pick some, Josh.
That's it.
Put them in there nicely.
I want all this. I want all this.
Pick some then. Stanley, you're like a colour clash. Look at all the strawberries, they've gone forever. Oh, they carry it.
Are they stinging at all?
No, they're strawberry plants.
Ow.
Ow.
Oh, it's white. Hold on.
Yeah, don't pick the white one. What have you found, Dave?
Wow.
Oh.
That'll be alright, won't it?
This is all bad.
No.
I'm gonna throw it away.
No, 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 no. Put it back on the floor. You're right, there's Jack.
Dad,
It's just a nice one.
Dad, look. Dad,
All right, Jackie.
look at mine.
This is a funny strawberry.
Dad,
Dave, look what George has found.
look at it.
A weapon.
Look,
A weapon.
Dad. Dad,
No.
No, don't pick the yellow ones.
Dad,
Pick the red ones, just the
Dad.
red ones.
look at this.
Yeah,
Right, let's wander down. You can't go
It's
down.
only a little bit.
Jackie, stop picking them up.
Dad,
That was just a funny strawberry. It was a very funny strawberry.
Go near Dad. Oh, look up.
You get Jackie.
Yeah, that one's a bit crushed, but look, if you look at that one's okay. Look, pick that off and put it in. It's a rotten one. Cocoa melon?
That's got a massive white.
What spider?
Massive white second.
Look at that.
What? That's a spider.
Where is it? Look at the size.
Massive white second.
It's probably
Oh,
an
gee,
egg.
Dad, I see spider.
Oh, the kids that you can't eat them because they were going to shove it in. Shove it in. Shove it. Oh. 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 Picture taken with a sign. me take a picture. You ready? Smile! Got it. I've done it. Good. £6. Let's have a look in the top. Everyone's arms and that keep getting in the way. £6.95 for all
George
of
won't
them.
eat one because he needs to wash it first.
How old are you? You bet worse than that.
You used to eat stuff off the floor.
Oh God, he's taller than you. Davey's taller than you. He is. He is! Oh, I just fell down a hole. Near enough. Got you in the car, Jack.
Not my mum.
Alright, God, you're not. Would you like some help?
No.
Really? You have to press the button. Get in. Get in. Get in. So on our way home, we went to get some eggs and milk. I was trying to see where George's milk was, chocolate milkshake was, and there's a caramel. Well, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And we realised the farm has got a free open day, so we're now going for a trip to the farm. Can we get a pig? What?
Farm mate.
Can we ask them if I can have a piggy?
I was probably saying no. I didn't see no pigs.
They're all dead. Liz! Sammy! Look at all the animals. Oh my God, Gracie. There, he's thick. What? Do you want one of them in our house? They're sheep. They're not baby alpacas.
Why are there sheep in it?
Sheep.
Why are there sheep in it?
Because you're 5 at a park though. Not doing very well in nature today, are we? Oh, I can smell the barbecue. Put the weapon down. I've got a fly up my nose that I can't get out. Something in my eye, come on. I'm hoping you can't get through this way. I'm hoping the carvery's open, that's what I'm more looking forward to. Are you George?
Oh wow.
George.
Jenna.
What? Wow! You are so tall. Stanley's just wobbling. Jack! Just jump.
Come on, just jump.
Oh.
Jump.
Right, you stay there then, bye.
Jack! What did you see? Chickens. There's a pig behind there. A big, huge pig. In there, Jack. That's a goat. There he is. See, we could have one of them in our new house in the back garden.
Don't be reaching, that's no defense on the inside.
That would be funny. Your hair will stand up one edge, Jack. It's a piggy. So we're at the farm. Got hot dogs and barbecues sitting among cows and pigs and turkeys.
Can't use it.
Yeah, I'll kill you. What's up, George? So that's it for our day out today. They ended up going swimming and coming home and all that stuff. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you another day. Goodbye.